Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how you can rearrange and delete home screens on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 15. This is a new addition to iOS 15 where you can now customize your home screen. On your iPhone, long press on an empty space on the home screen until all the icons start to shake. Now press on the dots just above the docking bar. The dots will depend on how many pages you have displayed. This will then show you all the pages you have available to see. Pages which are being shown will have a tick, while pages that are hidden will be unticked. To hide a page, tap on the tick underneath it and the page will not be shown. To delete the page, just click on the minus sign on the top left of the box and it should delete it. Lastly, to reorder the pages, just press and hold the page and drag it to whatever location you want it to be. To add an extra page to your home screen, long press on the home screen, drag any icon from the existing page and take it all the way to the right. A new page will be created. And that is how to organize and delete home screens on your iPhone, iPad running iOS 15. If you have any questions for me, then please do not forget to add it in the comment section down below. Please subscribe to this channel as it means a lot, and don't forget to turn on bell notifications so you get alerted for the next video. If you found this video useful, then please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.